Hi everyone, I'm Pika, and welcome back to Baker Affair. Today I'm making a cozy, effortless dessert that's perfect for two. These are my no-bake apple cream cheese pies. I folded the cinnamon-sautéed apples directly into the cream cheese filling, so every bite is perfectly balanced. It's a simple, small batch recipe that feels a bit more special than your average no-bake treat. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Starting with a medium-sized apple, you're going to start peeling. And oh, I love my peeler. Look at how thin these peels are. It's great. It's a Boner Germany peeler. I don't think they make them anymore. Anyway, you're going to continue peeling. Then you're going to cut the apple in half, take the seeds out, and start slicing it, and then cut the other way and make small dices, stick it in the pot. And keep slicing and dicing until the apple is in the pot. Okay, now that they're all cut up, I'm going to put a teaspoon of butter, brown sugar and regular sugar, and some cinnamon. Turn it on, let it cook 5 to 8 minutes. Oh, and a pinch of salt. Okay, I did add a teaspoon of cornstarch, and this is how they look when they're done. And now I'm going to let them cool off completely, so that way when I can fold them in. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to add cream cheese, 4 ounces, into a bowl. And I'm going to mix it. And I know how you guys like to watch me mix it, so come on down. Okay, so I'm mixing this. And I'm also going to add a little tiny bit of vanilla. Stir that in. And I'm also going to add a little bit of sugar. And I'm going to put half a tablespoon to a tablespoon. Okay, now I'm going to take that off. Okay, so I'm going to be adding, okay, so I'm going to be adding the apples that I made. They're all cooled off completely, and I'm going to fold them into the cream cheese mixture. Do you like apples as much as I do? Leave a comment below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, it costs you nothing. All you have to do is hit that little like button and the subscribe button. That's, of course, if you like this content. If not, no worries. So, getting back to the recipe. Come on down and watch what I'm doing. All right, so I'm going to take these apples, fold them in. Okay, and now I'm going to spoon them into these little tiny cute things. Because when you have 2 people, it's so much easier to have little pies like this. Like if you have a date night and you don't want to make a whole big pie, because what are you going to do with all that pie? And these can be so romantic. That is good. Let me show you how I fill them. You want to kind of like smush it down so you get all those gaps out. And then for a little crunch, walnuts. And the best part to these little pies are that you can customize them. You can leave off the walnuts. You don't have to put them on if somebody's allergic. You can add more throughout. You can add different things like pecans if you want. You can add whipped cream. If somebody doesn't like whipped cream, you don't have to worry about it because it's your own little individual pie. Now these are going to go into the refrigerator for about an hour or two until they firm up, and then I'll be back to tell you how they actually taste. See you in a little bit. Okay, so they're out of the refrigerator. Let me give it a try. Let's see what it looks like. Look at all those apples and the cream cheese. Ooh, let's see. 1, 2, 3. These are perfect. That's delicious. It's like a cream cheese, delicious treat with apples and walnuts and deliciousness. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share if you wish, and until next Wednesday, ciao.